Hello everyone! Good morning from Sicily! Guys, I'm enjoying one of the most beautiful beaches in Sicily, perhaps the best. It can, compete, it can challenge Mondello Beach or the island of the Rabbit Beach in Lampedusa, or some beach in Favignana. But for sure this is one of the best. And for those who don't have any skills, who don't swim, who don't have the ability to swim in deep water, this is the best beach in Sicily, one of the best. So as you can see, people are enjoying the calm and the pristine waters. They are relaxing. No sharks, no poison fish, no strange animals, no monsters. Only a huge swimming pool. As you can see, the colors are so beautiful. And we are surrounded by a beautiful nature as well. As you can see, we are in the province of Trapani. And this is one of the best areas. So look at the mountain behind me, Mount Monaco, the mount that surrounds San Vito Lo Capo. This is where we are now. San Vito Lo Capo is a very popular location in the west side of Sicily. So we are in the province of Trapani, and I'm enjoying something special. Oh, there is someone I know. Good morning.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. How are you? And we are live again after a small break, not from work. We are live again.
We have to say that we have a very hard time, in particular from May to the last days of June.
Yes.
Say it, because I don't have the microphone.
So we were busy, very busy in April, May, June. It was like a Mount Etna eruption, everything all together, no, at the same time. But we are very happy because, you know, after 2 years of pandemic, we need this crazy period, and so we decided to take just 2 days off.
Say where we are, what we did.
Yesterday we went in a less popular beach. The name is Bue Marino, and we really recommend you this place because it's not so crowded like San Vito. Of course, San Vito is beautiful, but it's very crowded, as you can see. And today is not an holiday day, and so you can see how many people there are here. And it's only the beginning of July. This is a top destination for Italian people in particular. So in August it's unbelievable. You can see, you cannot see the sea. You can see only people.
So it's incredible, guys.
And
amazing. Of course, Sicilian people, not only Sicilian people, not only local people are enjoying this beach today, I heard many Americans, many French, many German people, people from North Italy. I was able to hear some Italian accent, different from the Sicilian accent.
Yes.
Roman, Milan accent, and so everybody's enjoying the beach today, and we are super happy because, as Rosella said, we had a very hard time in May and June, and so we had the, how do you say, the need to break, to stop working for a while. This is just for a while because, you know, we are expecting 80 Americans in August. We are also planning a couple of private tours of Sicily in July. Also in September we have Marian Fritsch, then we have the Wind Troops, then we have 5 nice people from Singapore again.
Yes.
And so we can't stop.
Again, 20 people from Canada.
Oh, I go this way.
Oh, this way, yeah.
I am on my knees. On my knees, guys.
Pray for you.
That's amazing. So we can stop, but we are super lucky. We have to say that we live in Sicily, and so even if we don't take an airplane, we have the opportunity to. Oh, the wave! Look at the wave. They are dangerous. I don't want to fall.
I can help you.
Thank you so much. So we can take the car, and in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, we can reach beautiful places like this.
Yeah.
So it's about 1 hour away from the place where we live, and so we are super lucky. I know that some people have to take the airplane from Milan, from Rome, or from abroad to visit San Vito Lo Capo, and we don't need it.
Yeah.
We don't need to take the airplane. It's just around the corner, and it's so important for us. Unfortunately, our summertime is always very busy, so we can't have the opportunity to have a vacation, a traditional vacation. But sometimes, 1 day, 2 days, like in this moment, we are able to spend a great time. And it's our opportunity to show you something special. I think it's the first time we broadcast from San Vito Lo Capo.
Yes, it's the first time.
So we are super happy to display all people who are from San Vito Lo Capo, who have an origin in San Vito Lo Capo.
Such as David Aliotti.
Oh, yeah, you're right, David Aliotti. David Aliotti, perhaps he will come to Sicily next year. He will join our Sicily Lovers tour.
Do you remember the date, guys? Would you please remind our friends the date?
I have to say that we are almost sold out. If you want to say, I'm very happy to say that it's from May 29 to June 10, 2023.
Otherwise, you can plan your custom private tours of Sicily, and we can add in your tour places like this if you are a Sicily lover, or wherever you want, because it will be your own tour according to your needs, to your passion. Just visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and book your dream vacation with Gianca and Rosella. True Sicily Lovers.
I'm just trying to make a sort of balance because waves are pushing me, so I'm in danger. They are not big waves, but sometimes I risk to fall down with the cell phone, the microphones, and all my tools. So,
did you already tell them that the beach is about 3 kilometers?
Yeah, this is one of the largest and longest sandy beaches in Sicily. That's why people come to San Vito from all parts of the world. As you can see, I'm gonna switch again to display the beach. So it's very long and very large, because Aspetta che qua fanno...
A sandy beach, so you can see a lot of children because it's very safe. No shark.
That's the end of the beach.
Yes.
And let me say something special, a feature from this place. Dove vai? Where are you going? Where are you going? Rosella is shy. She's not ready to be filmed. Now, out of the joke, the feature of this beach is that you can walk for I think about 5 minutes before you have to swim.
Yeah.
So you can touch the sand with your feet, and so it's very, very safe. As you can see, people are walking over there. They are still walking, not swimming. And let me switch again on me, on us. Rosella, please. Don't be shy.
It's a perfect place also if you cannot swim very well, like me.
I said it's very safe.
Yes.
This is the favorite place for families with small children.
Yeah.
Because you don't need to have very particular skills. The sea is very calm all year round. It's very safe, and you never meet dangerous or poisoned animals. So that's the most important thing.
And also the temperature of the water is perfect for me.
Today
for you it's too hot.
Too hot. Today is very, very pleasant.
Yeah.
It's very comfortable. The temperature of the water, I don't know in Fahrenheit, but it's very, very close to the air temperature, and so it's about 25 at least.
I think so.
It's very, very, very warm. So Rosella, I think it's time to end our broadcast, because Facebook, when it's too long, it penalizes our activity.
Yeah.
And also because the waves are pushing me to fall.
And guys, we love you. See you in the next days. And thank you for all your love, all your messages again. And please share this live broadcast with your friends, put your thumbs up, and see you the next one.
Yeah. And let me say again, please don't worry if we don't broadcast. Sometimes we stop broadcasting for a while. We are safe. We are just busy because after 2 years of pandemic, we started over our activity to the ultimate point. So it's something amazing, and we are trying to do our best to offer American, Canadian people the best that Sicily has to offer, and so a lot of private tours. We are super happy again because the Sicily Lovers tour 2023 is almost sold out, and so it's we are super happy and super proud.
And
but in the
you.
meantime, as Rosella said, we can help you enjoy Sicily for a memorable, private, tailored tour of Sicily. We are at your disposal.
Best things to do in Sicily.com.
for the few who don't know yet, it's impossible. Best things to do in Sicily now is very, very popular everywhere in the world.
We are approaching.
Thanks to you guys, because you made something special. You are the owner of this masterpiece.
You are giving me the opportunity to tell something really important. We are approaching 90,000 followers.
Wow.
We just miss 40 like.
So subscribe.
40, so please.
Subscribe. We have to reach this goal. 19,000. It's a very, very nice result. So thanks again. Thanks for watching, and see you the next one.
love,
Hugs
and kisses.
from Sicily, from San Vito Lo Capo, it's all. Mwah.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.